Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rickie Carmella. I would love to have you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, so it's another weekend vlogmas video. It's Friday, December 9th. It is 5 o'clock. I'm starting this vlog late because I was at work this morning and I got off at around like 1:30. Then I came home, took a nap. And yeah, so I'm just starting this vlog. So we are going to, tonight we are going to, I think we're just going to have a movie night. Make some popcorn, bake some Christmas cookies. Yeah, we'll see from there. But I have to make me an egg sandwich right now because I am hungry. And I haven't ate since like 12. So I'm about to just make me an egg sandwich because we don't have really nothing to eat in here. And we gotta go food shopping. We was going to go food shopping today, but it's been raining all day. Like, it sucks outside. It's been raining all day. So hopefully it's not raining tomorrow, so we'll go tomorrow. Thinking about working out. I'm not sure. I gotta see if I'm in the mood or not to work out, because I know for sure tomorrow I'll be working out, and most likely Sunday. Oh yeah, and also my fitness journey update on my weight. I lost a total of 12 pounds, 3 to 4 months. I feel like that's not much, but then again, I gotta think about it. This is a lifestyle now, so I can't rush the process, and I think that is really good for real, because I'm eating kind of like what I want, but at the same time I'm on a calorie deficit. So yeah, I'm not rushing nothing. I'm not rushing the process. I basically kind of eat what I want, but I just count my calories and stuff. So yeah, but I'm happy about that. But I'm rambling. Let me go ahead. I'm about to make this sandwich real quick, and then I'll see what I'm gonna do after.
Things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name.
Alright, y'all, so this is my week-old egg sandwich, and my daughter wanted an egg sandwich too. So I had bacon in here, but I just ain't feel like taking it out and gotta wait for it to thaw out and stuff in the freezer. So just ain't feel like making it. Not you. Get out of here. You don't even eat eggs. Why did she just try that egg? And she never likes eggs. Like, she do not eat eggs at all. So I'm surprised. all this time me making it, now she want to try a little piece and like it. But that's good. Eggs is good. No, I'm saying that's good because eggs is very good for you. So, but yeah, here you go, your egg sandwich. So yeah, I'm about to eat this little bitty egg sandwich I get. So and then I might make me a smoothie later, but my freaking blender sucks, y'all. It sucks so bad. Go ahead.
Okay, I never thought that I would actually like eggs, but now this type of eggs that I like it now.
Wow, I've been making eggs for so long, and she never eats eggs. Like, I
never tried.
So, you did try it before. I think you just ain't like it maybe before. Yeah. But it's been a long time since you tried it. I'll be trying to get you a try, right? I'll be like, just try it, because you never know, you might like it. So
I tried it my own, but you have asked me to do that. I don't want to try.
Got him! Got him!
Wow, you want to blow me on camera like that?
If it fits.
Oh, I'm going to get you. No, but anyways, y'all, so I might make a smoothie later, but my smoothie machine sucks, y'all. It sucks so bad. I'm going to definitely have to buy a new one. Like, it works, but I don't know. It be acting stupid sometimes. It don't be trying to, like, blend really good, so I don't know. But I'm going to work with what I got right now, and then invest in a new blender, because we have been making a lot of smoothies and stuff. So but yeah, let me go ahead and eat my little sandwich, and I'll get back to y'all later. So I'm just sitting here chilling right now. I'm watching my girl Kyra. But yeah, I wanted to tell y'all, so like I told y'all earlier, I am on a calorie deficit. So I normally count my calories on my MyFitnessPal app. No, this video not sponsored, but MyFitnessPal. If you come across this, okay, sponsor me. Oh, okay. Because I've been using like this app for a long time. Like for years I've been using this app. And it helps me. Like I literally, like, all you got to do is calculate, if you don't know about MyFitnessPal. Yeah, so all you got to do is put in like everything you ate and like your goal and how many calories you want to eat. I think it helped me a lot. Like my calorie range right now is 1300 to 1350, and that's if I'm not working out that day. Because if I'm working out, then I'll go to like 1500, because I do not want to like not eat enough, because that's not good. I just wanted to let y'all know that, like, because I did let y'all know I'm on a calorie deficit, so I just want to tell y'all about that. But other than that, I'll get back with y'all later once I figure out if we want to do something or not. Okay. I am currently at Chick-fil-A because it's going on 8 o'clock, so it's getting late, and I don't like to eat past like 8:30. So I'm about to get Chick-fil-A. So I'm gonna just get a chicken wrap and some grilled nuggets. So hold on, let me go ahead and order. Hello. Can I get the grilled chicken cool wrap?
I'm sorry, can I get a name for the order?
Rickie.
Brittany?
Rickie with an R. And then let me get just the nuggets, the 8-count grilled nugget with Chick-fil-A sauce. But anyways, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm at Chick-fil-A. So we get some Chick-fil-A, but I'm doing like healthier options because I love getting the spicy chicken sandwich and the fries and the regular chicken nuggets. But since I am back on my healthy eating and calorie deficit, I get the grilled everything. So back from Chick-fil-A, so I just got the grilled nuggets and then the grilled chicken cool wrap, I guess that's what it's called. So yeah, I'm finna eat that, and then I'll check with y'all later.
You know what's up,
So it's the next day. It is December 10th. It's Saturday. So we finna get dressed and go to the grocery store because we have to go grocery shopping, like I was telling y'all the other day. We need to go get some groceries, so we're about to get dressed and go there. And we're going to do my face mask. Other than that, let's go ahead and start getting dressed. So let's go. All right, y'all, so this is the fit. Just the leggings, regular shirt, and then my Ugg boots. So I'm just gonna wear this to go to Walmart. And my hair, I just do my little edges like how it already was, and then put my little curly proof bun in, and then wash JBW, ring, bracelet JBW, and then my necklace. But yeah, this is at the feet Walmart fit. So we finally are back home after a long trip to Walmart and bringing this stuff up. Baby, that was my workout. Yeah, but now we're finna finally was able to find some snow yeah, some Santa snow so we can put it on the tree. Because our tree looking clean. So I'm gonna spray this on the tree real quick. Look how cute this looks.
Turn off all the lights. Here, let me turn off all the lights.
Star, like, get into it. Yo, why did I just wake up from a banging nap? We was doing the tree. We didn't even finish the tree. Got tired. I lay down on the couch, passed out. And then it's my edges that still look kind of on fleek. Like, oh yeah. It's 8:40 at this point. This day's over. I was kind of tired anyways, so because last night I was up until like almost 4 in the morning. Finally went to sleep, woke up at like, well, I was waking up off in the 1, and then I officially woke up around like 11:30, 12. So ready to get that butt sleep. Yeah, but whew, I needed that. So just wanted to come in and check up on y'all, let y'all know what's going on now. Just got to chill. Me and my sister, the kids about to just chill, and I'll just catch y'all tomorrow because I already know I'm not doing nothing for the rest of the night. So just wanted to come in and check up on y'all. Alright y'all, so it's the next day, Sunday, December what, 12th, I think, 11th, 12th, I don't know. It's pretty late. It's like 5:30 right now. Today I really didn't do much this morning, so that's why I feel. I literally just sat on my couch and watched movies. Now I need to get started on my meal prep, which I'm making some egg bites. Oh my goodness. I'm making some egg bites, a chipotle bowl, a duplicate, and just some pasta. Yeah, go ahead and do that, because if I wait any later, I'm not gonna do it at all. So let's go ahead and get started with that.
Oh, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and the saying goes, life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready?
Alright y'all, so I'm finished meal prepping. So I got my egg bites for my breakfast. This will be lunch, dinner. I'm gonna be switching it up, so the pasta. And then I got my chipotle bowl. Just got the black beans, white rice, and the chicken for now. And then I'm gonna just add the sour cream and the shredded lettuce, the Tabasco sauce, and all that extra stuff. I'm gonna add that on when I get ready to warm up, whether I'm at work or home. So yeah, that's my meal prep.
Been telling you you belong to me. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. In your mind.
Alright, y'all, so I have the face mask on for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off, finish my skincare, and then I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so my face is all done, finished with my skincare, and that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, good night.